Hello again, Abe Israel here from BlueConduit with more information about our data validation tool that allows water systems to make their data compliant to the EPA template. This is the second video in the series where we will discuss value mapping and error checking. In the previous video, we showed how you can upload a file and map the incoming fields to those in the EPA template. Now at this stage, we will show you how you can map the incoming values to the destination values. And similarly to the fields, it intelligently maps to the appropriate destinations. We do a check to make sure it's correct, and then so far it looks great. And in this example, we even see text discrepancies allowing it to be adjusted. So COPP and CP both can map to the same destination value. So far, so good. And now we have a point where these did not map. So let's do that really quickly. Customer can be mapped to customer self-identification, hydrovac. Let's map that to excavation. Visual inspection can be a visual inspection in the meter pit. And water sampling can be water quality sampling. And we can even map those cells with no data at all. We can map them to other, or we can just leave them as is. In this case, I'll just leave them. Scroll down. Additional maps look good. And we are ready to view our data. Click continue. And our system runs in the background, and now you will see our data set with the values that are mapped to the EPA template. You would start seeing there's some cool things in here too. We can filter by any errors that were located. So this red icon says street address is required. So we hover, it said sure enough, this is a required field. So let's put it in. 123 Main Street. There's another. Finally, we have 3 more errors. This one's an interesting one. It says this should be lead because something else is pointing to lead. Let's pin this. See what's happening. So now you see that column is now pinned to the beginning of our data set. Let's scroll to the beginning of our data set. Our customer side is saying unknown. But our system side is saying lead. So that means our data should be listed as lead. And now we have no more errors. So we can move and go back to our valid responses, and sure enough, I can remove this pin. Our data looks great. We can choose to select columns to download, or we can just download the entire data set. Just like that, the process is complete. You have the data set ready to go. Thanks for listening. We look forward to hearing your feedback after you work with the tool. Let's get the lead out.